Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Nicole Patrick. Today's video is about this beautiful hairstyle. I saw this hairstyle on Instagram and decided to give it a try. I really love how this hair came out. Like, this hair is perfect for summer. It's really simple and it's so beautiful. So if you want to know how I did this hair, you can keep on watching this video. After watching, please give this video a thumbs up and share. Thank you so much for your support, and let's get started. I'm going to section my hair into two parts. Then I'm going to put the front section into a bun to get the hair out of the way. And I'm going to braid the back side of the hair. After braiding the hair like that, I'm going to use my needle and thread to sew it down because I want it to be very secure. Now I'm going to go ahead and start installing my hair with needle and thread. If you don't know how to use needle and thread to do this, you can use your bonding glue or any other glue that you have that you can actually put on your natural hair. And the hair I'm using is called Noble Classic. Then I'm going to section out some hair to close the track or the weft of the hair because I don't want any of that to show. And I'm going to try to match my natural hair and the weave together. You know, this is my natural hair and it's really difficult to match your natural hair and any other hair together, but I'm gonna try my best because I want it to look perfect. So I'm gonna use my hot comb and my straightener to do all that. Finally done with the hardest part. Now I'm going to braid the rest of the hair. So guys, this is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share, and let me know what you think about this hair in the comment section. I love you all, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.